Hey everyone, welcome back into Thursday Night Weather. Mike Schultz with you once again, and today was not nearly as warm as it was yesterday, but still a very nice day and still way above normal for this time of year and no end in sight. Tonight we're going to be talking about quite a few things in the weather. Of course, once again, the above normal temperatures are going to continue right on through the weekend. It's a broken record, but it's nice to be able to say that. Elsewhere, we're looking at maybe a slight chance of a little snow, maybe later on tonight and tomorrow morning, but nothing really heavy expected whatsoever. And the air quality is still not too good in the North Pole. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. As far as what's going on across the state, you can see the area of low pressure sitting down across the Gulf of Alaska. Once again, all the moisture is trapped down south of the Alaska Range in the Prince William Sound and the Kenai Peninsula area. Still some moisture moving across southeast Alaska. And across to the north of the Alaska Range, nothing going on there. Very quiet weather pattern. If across the rest of the state, the rain is falling around Ketchikan, but not nearly as warm as it was yesterday. Close to 50 yesterday, but 43 at Ketchikan today. Just cloudy skies at Juneau and some showers around the Anchorage Bowl. Also just partly cloudy skies for Kodiak, 34 degrees, and Cold Bay at 34 degrees. Over the to the other side of the Aleutian Chain, Bethel up to 31 degrees and Nome down to 20. And Barrow, once again, plus figures for this time of year is just about unheard of. Fort Yukon at 6 degrees below zero. Lower 48 weather, another system moving across the Pacific Northwest. This one losing a little bit of its energy as it moves across the Rockies and the Sierra Nevadas, and that is going to move out on the plains and once again develop into a pretty good winter storm potential for much of the central sections of the country by this weekend. Elsewhere, once again, the frontal boundary stuck across the Florida Peninsula, bringing lots of weather there. And the overall picture for the West Coast, if you're heading there, a little bit of rain from Northern California northward, while the rest of California looks pretty good, high and dry, high pressure really dominating the weather map there. And the jet stream, again, warm air coming in from the south west, helping to melt all the snow that fell last week over the eastern half of the country. But to the north, once again, we're looking at showers and mixed rain and snow there too. All right, once again, time for our kids' weather. And all this week, we're talking with the kids from Two Rivers Elementary School. But tonight, we're going to have to hear from the teacher. She's got a pretty interesting weather fact to pass along.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Klein, and this is my 4th and 5th grade class at Two Rivers Elementary, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, do you know that the windiest place on Earth is at Commonwealth Bay, Antarctica? For more than 100 days a year, the wind blows close to 200 miles per hour.
Whoa!
And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And next week, we're going to be visiting with the students from University Park Elementary School for our kids' weather starting Monday. All right, here's your forecast for the northern sections for Alaska tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies at Barrow. Some snow showers in the Nome region, and just possibly some snow showers extending over to the Fort Yukon area also, 11 degrees for the high there. Here in the interior, not too bad. Isolated snow showers near Fairbanks. Cloudy skies at Healy, a little better chance of seeing some snow in the Delta Junction region. Over the southeast Alaska sections, looking at mainly showers across the region from Juneau all the way down to Ketchikan, and temperatures not too bad, 43 degrees for the high at the Ketchikan area. Over to the southwest, rain and snow for Cold Bay, partly cloudy skies at Kodiak, and snow showers for Bethel. And if you're heading down to the Anchorage Bowl area, looking at partly cloudy skies at Anchorage, some rain showers there for Homer, and rain and snow expected in the Valdez region. Well, it's a Thursday night, which means it's time for our road conditions, brought to you by the good folks at Mongold Insurance and Jose Body and Paint. On the Dalton Elliott Highway, icy patches, packed snow, and snow on the roadway. No more reports of any flooding on the Dalton Highway. That's good news there. On the Stetson Richardson Highway, frosted surfaces, ice patches, and some winds, especially down around the Delta Junction area, but just nothing really strong, just once in a while gusty, so keep that in mind. And on the Parks Highway, snow is expected near Talkeetna now with ice glaze on the road and some black ice, so pretty slick. Give yourself plenty of time to get to your destination. And as far as what's going on at the airport right now, 16 degrees after a high of 25. The low last night, 7. Record high, 42, 1945. Record low, 60 below in 1933. And your sunrise and sunset, not quite 6.5 hours of daylight, a game of 6 minutes. Our forecast for tonight, cloudy skies, 10 degrees for the overnight low. A slight chance of a little light snow by morning, but like I said, another real organized system, so nothing really heavy expected. Tomorrow, 18 degrees, isolated snow showers are possible throughout the day. And the extended forecast, once again, temperatures, what they shouldn't be this time of year, in the mid-teens to even near 20 degrees for all the way across the board there. Overnight lows also very comfortable, 10 degrees, normally 17 below this time of year. Unbelievable. And our picture for tonight, this one sent in by Connie Beckwith, a fire sunset. You can see why you call it that. Beautiful colors there. And as always, if you have a photo you'd like to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. We'll share it with the rest of the audience.